Hello everyone, how are you all doing tonight? Yeah. Well, I've got a couple of things to... Ooh!
Tilda tilde hi lemma tilde tilde getting close to a whole year. I can't believe it.
Non, thank you very much for subscribing at tier 1 for 10 months! Wow! Ooh, peeking. Let me see if I can do something about that. There. Hopefully that'll help. Yeah, I'm probably... Yeah, like... It's weird, I've never really been able to, like, find, like, the balance point between, like, my mic being way too quiet and my mic just peaking all the fucking time. Like, I wish I knew what it was? Oh well, yeah. Yeah, hope y'all are having a good time. Before we start off tonight, yeah, still getting it just to make sure, is everyone else getting it? Just my PC being weird? Yeah. Yeah, I am seeing, like, still a bit of red flashing. Let me... There, I've turned myself down, like, 15 decibels, and it's still, like, flashing red a bit. Yeah. I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, just trying to figure out why my audio is continually just a mess. Not peaking as much anymore, but still being crackly. You know what? Properties. That's weird. For some reason, it just straight up wouldn't even let me... Did you ever move it after you said it was closer? Yeah, I did. Like, I definitely did. Yeah. Now, here's the weird thing. I tried switching to, like, just the mic and not through voice mod, but that didn't work. It wasn't getting any audio. Let me try again. I don't know what's up. I wish I did, but I don't know how to fix it. It's, if y'all want to buy me better audio equipment, please be my fucking guest at this point. Yeah. Alright, so, tonight, before we start working on, like, the stuff with Godot, and working on Project Deicide, I'm probably obligated to talk about the Minecraft thing, aren't I? Oh, fucking boy! Oh boy. Oh boy. So, y'all might have heard about a bit of an issue discovered through Minecraft. Launcher automatically downloads it when I next open it. Yeah, yep. If you're using multi-MC, it will fix every single version. If you're using the vanilla launcher, it will mitigate versions, Minecraft versions for 1.12 and up, and totally fix 1.8.2. There are mods to patch it, but there's a slight issue. What if I'm using recently out of date launcher because I've been neglecting to switch again? You are still overwhelmingly vulnerable. You are, stop doing that. You are vulnerable to remote code execution. Yeah. So yeah, might want to update. Yeah. So, any program that, uses, any program that uses Log4j is vulnerable to remote code execution. I need to figure out where to get it again. Guess I'll have it replaced. Yeah. But yeah, very interesting stuff. By the way, no? Yeah? Since you turned down audio, music of... Yeah, knew it. Knew that would happen. Alright, there. Yeah, I don't know how to fix my audio situation. It's really not good, and I wish I did know how, but... Yeah. Actually, wait, wait. What if I do that there? That should actually... That'll fix the clipping, actually. It was, like, the issue with the clipping has been on the side of my interface and not OBS. Okay, that's what was making it weird. Yeah, that should, hopefully fix it. Yay! Less popping, less clipping. Woo! Ah. Yeah, I just misread, like, the symbols in the thing. But yeah, there. Just tweaked the value on my interface, and hopefully that'll clip less. Yay! But yeah, Minecraft exploit. Anything that uses log4j is vulnerable. And a lot of stuff uses log4j. Android is one of the few things, that is not vulnerable because it doesn't... that uses Java because it doesn't use the JNDI system that the vulnerability happened through. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's gonna be interesting to watch. It is, like, just generally patched, so if you are on up-to-date versions of everything, which you should usually be for security purposes, you shouldn't have an issue. But, like, if you're using, like, outdated versions of, like, Java launcher, like, Java apps or launchers or such, make sure you update. Updating is always incredibly important. Yeah. It is interesting. Anyways, tonight we're gonna be working on, Project Deicide more. Very excited to keep working on it. Gonna have some fun stuff. Yeah. First important thing tonight is, like setting up, a heuristic for, hey, is this input, based on, is this input from a controller or a keyboard, so we can do, like, different logic for those for accessibility? Yeah, should be pretty good. With that, how about we get into it? Let's go! Alright, I do need a new playlist. So, alright, so let's pull up... Oh, Jesus Christ, why is that a weird size? Alright, alright, turn complete was using it. Whoops. Okay, there. Okay, so... No. Not tell it to be visible again. Sorry for the noise in the background, it is doing a bit of cleaning stuff. Okay, good doing. Alright, so... Input... Alright, so, let me see. Is there a way to, like, get, if and input is from... let me see, so... So... Trying to think about some... So how the hell do I actually, like, see if something is coming from a... like, I'm using the, So, I'm using input as action pressed. Where is that? Action press, okay. Don't like the highlights. I read the docs as mess, but random question from the Minecraft thing. Does the current launcher look identical to the previous one, at least on the login screen? Yes. Yeah, it is like, the new launcher looks like the old launcher. It just is gonna, like, this time it lets you, like, do Microsoft stuff as well. So, is action just pressed? Okay. So... yeah. Let me see. So, yeah. I should probably just end up having, like, a, yeah, I think what I might end up having in... So as long as I can sign in with the Microsoft app and the app icon is not the grass block inside a black square, I'm fine. Yeah, should be good. Yeah. So, I need to... Yeah, when they said new launcher, I expected a whole ass new launcher. No, it is just like, it is an iterative update on the launcher. So, let me see here. Thank you. Sorry for basic asking tech support. It's fine. Like, Roxy, you are trying to avoid having people on random Minecraft servers run arbitrary code on your computer. That is a very good thing to be avoiding. So. Okay. Should I, so... Here's... Yeah, like, I'm trying to figure out, like, the best way to, like... Alright, but yeah, it's automatic then? Yes. It is automatic. There is... If you put this string, I believe this string should fire it, so launch it with the console visible, send that in chat. If it does anything, like, if there's any weird output and like, if it prints 2021 in chat, then you're still vulnerable. Otherwise, you're all good. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Alright, so, what I really need to do is, I need to figure out, like, for example, the throw action. Right now, it will always just use the global mouse position, but you don't always want that at all. Like, a lot of the time, you will not want to use the global mouse position because you don't have a global mouse position as a controller. Will I have to reassign my different profile directories again? Amazing, yeah. Now I am gonna like kind of try and focus back on this now, so yeah. Yeah, like just as it is right now, it will always like. Right now, I am using the controller, or no, I'm using my mouse to fire. But if I pull up my controller, it is still going, like, even though I'm now using the controller, you can see me doing like the micro movement here. It'll still fire at my mouse cursor, and that's not good. Just try, yeah. Just putting pointless talk. Roxy, don't self-deprecate. That's self-deprecation. Yeah. I need to figure out how to do that. Let's see. Okay, so right now I've got like the controller targeting stuff as a to-do, but how do you check that? Yeah, okay, important thing. So, I'm going through is action pressed. Huh. Gravity gyroscope. Mouse mode. Mouse mode. Visible, hidden, captured. Okay, don't care. I could use. I should. Ooh. I should probably yeah. So. Ah. All right. So I'll probably set to Yeah, I'll have to look into like that mouse mode stuff later. Probably very important. Alright. Ah. Okay, let's see. So, I'm using... Yeah, so I'm using is action pressed. But, I'm not sure how to... Is there a way to, like, get, like, current info about an action? So there's get action, strength, and raw strength. So... This is, yeah, I'm trying to figure out, like, the other possibility is I can just go into project settings and input map and split all of, like, each of these up into, like, different input actions. But that would be... I'd be a pain in the ass. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not sure what would be the best option there. Um... Yeah. I can just, like... I could split them out, but... is that a good idea? I think it's a good idea, honestly. I'm gonna have a... attack and action. Can you not do tuples? Okay, I guess not. I can just do, action. Yeah. Action. Attack. That'd work, honestly. Actually, oh, wait, no. That's a much better idea, because then I can do bindings separately. So, let's go into project settings, input map. All of these are going to be KBM attack, KBM, KBM. Alright, yeah, then, oh my god, I'm making... Oh my god, holy shit, I am just realizing how fucking cool this is gonna be. Oh my god. I have just realized I'm gonna be making something incredibly silly and cool. Oh, this is gonna be great. So, action, CTR, attack, actions, CTR tech, actions, CTR hyper, actions, CTR interact, actions, CTR skill 1, action, CTR skill 2, action, actions, CTR skill 4. It is kind of like already doable, but oh, this is gonna be great. TLDR, you'll be able to use a keyboard and or a mouse and a controller under this. So, attack is Xbox A. Joy button A. No, you're gonna be all devices. Joy button, all devices B. Yeah, the hyper is gonna be on Y. Yeah, on Xbox Y, right? Yeah, then interact. All devices X. And that's gonna be L, R, L2, R2, okay. L, R, Z. All devices L. Right button. All devices R. Right button. All devices L2. Destroy button. All devices R2. Now I can just delete these from the KBM ones. Now, okay, got it. So now I can go through all these. No. Put them all in. Mouse is being fucky. Put a new mouse on my phone, probably. I like, action, R tech, action, R hyper, actions are interact, action CR skill 1, action R skill 2, action R skill 3, action R skill 4. What I'm gonna do real quick is for consistency's sake, I'm gonna remove these underscores. Alright. Yeah, so now TriCast will get a list of strings instead of, yeah, so now it'll get a list of 2 strings and instead of, a, single string. So I can now do in TriCast. If, oh, I'm gonna say, bar with task with R cool. M S false. No. If input is action rest, put 1 self cast with R equals true, current cast equals self cast time. Then now over in throw action, I can do if cast with R Raj target self target Actually, oh no. I think it's gonna be cast with KBM. Yeah. Okay. Yay. So now, yeah, so right now in main I am setting so the current target is always the slime. Ah! Oh, did I type cast list? Redo. Type hinting yeah. Ah! List. Right, gotta stop it. No, it's array, not list. F, yeah. Ah. So, yeah. Don't actually need this anymore. Alright, so, now, let's see, so, yeah, if I press A on the controller, it will always target towards that, and if I press A on, and if I left click on mouse, it'll always go towards the mouse. Now this lets you, yeah, this lets you do cool things. Like, for example, I am now using the controller stick to micromove, and also using the mouse to target. This is what we call fucking cool. I'm still not entirely sure I'm happy with, like, the curves this draws. I might want to do something else, just... like, the way some of these go just isn't the best. But, yeah. I am happy with the fact that it now has, like, a targeting mode. Woo! Ah, yay! Alright, so, woohoo! Alright, that's really cool. What else can I do? So, I should do, like, the throw dash action. I should probably make, like, a class for AoEs at some point. Yeah, having a, like, structure for AoEs would be pretty good at some point. Ah. No, now I just need to figure out how I'm gonna do that, so... Oh yeah, something very, very cool I found out recently. I think I can just, project, plugins. There's some way to... Oh, you can make your own plugins here. Okay. I'll just pull it up. Yeah, I'll pull it up over here. So... Edge. There. Hi, Godot. VRM add-on for Godot engine. This is what's legally defined as cool as shit and very helpful. So, yeah, it doesn't currently, as far as I can tell, it does not let you currently, like, edit a VRM, but it does let you, like, import VRMs and use them in game, which I'm very excited for. I'm probably gonna use that at some point. Ooh, I need to be right back. Give me just a minute. I'm back, yeah. Oh, what I missed, I was reading something, Chris. Oh, what? Yeah, like, I was just talking about how there is a, there's a project to support, VRM models in Godot, and also, talking about how, and also I just needed to BRB. Okay, so back to this. So, right now, for the AoE, if we just go into main, I just have like an AoE object here. It doesn't have like any animation for when it attacks. It's just like the AoE lead up, and I should do stuff to make it better. Now, I wonder, yeah, I should do something to make, like, I wonder if you can do, like, shape-based, like, drawing and such. Let me, experiment a bit. So, let me add, like, just, let's add a child node. What can we, so, node 2D. So there are polygon 2Ds, okay. Position objects, that's just like physics stuff. Ooh, it puts your own stuff in, nice. Yeah, this is like just all like UI stuff, which very cool that it has, gonna be very helpful. Canvas layer, okay, that's right. So, what in, so there's color, okay. Ooh, there is, ooh, okay. That's gonna be helpful, yeah, so I'm gonna delete that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, this all just like things, yeah. So that's just complaining about that, okay. Right. Yeah. I think I'm... Didn't I, set project settings? Where's my editor stuff? Editor... There, so... Shadowed variable I'll turn off. Then, yeah, so shadowed variable, then, unused argument, yeah. Okay, anything else? Yeah. Yeah, it should be good. Yeah, better. Now, you should not be... There. Now you're good. Now you won't complain about things that are because of code structure. Okay, so... I'm gonna rename you. Actually, then I can have it so that I'm gonna do rock throwable effect. Then yeah, like just then I'm gonna have you do so to do able yeah that's right now. Then I should probably yeah. Okay. Actually, no, this one will just be a potion. T scene. Yeah, so back over in players. I'm gonna rename you to heroes. And alright, we're good. It sorted itself out, I think. Yeah. Then yep. So dash action, thraction, yep. Potion.tc. Oh, right. So, oh yeah, Alicia did some work off screen. Let me, like, pull up a bit of stuff, so. Yeah, Alicia's running a D&D session, so cannot, join in tonight, but let me pull up one thing that she did. Oop, thank you for the hydrate. And a posture check. There. Okay, so let me pull up and I should really make like a full, yeah, I should really like categorize all my stuff for OBS a lot more, so. Whoa, very big. Yeah, here is Alicia's like initial design sketch and everything for our first character, Harrington, who is going to be a bunny alchemist. Remind me, so I get Project Deicide is imagine FF14 raid content without having to play the rest of the 10 hours of FF14 to get to it. Banana, yeah, banana, yep. Yeah, this is Harrington, femboy bunny alchemist. So, the main attack is Potion of Hurt's really bad. That is what I'm just gonna call it. Yeah. So getting that Endwalker appeal? Yeah, attempts to program AK code, smash side repeated against keyboard. Hello there, Kenny. Yeah. Not quite like, Endwalker appeal. This is something that, like, I've been thinking about for a while, and Alicia's been thinking about for a while, of, like, just FF14 raids are so fun, but you need to play so much that is not the raids to get to them. There should be a game with, like, the same, like, core loop of Monster Hunter of, like, hunt, loot, craft, repeat, but with, like, FF14 style raids, and that's what we're making. So, alright, there are a couple, there are a, couple different abilities that Harrington will have. Let's do a joke at Bunny Boy. Oh, right, yeah. I forgot that Bunny Boys are a thing now, but yeah. So, main attack is gonna be your, Potion of Hurt, your Potion of Hurt's really bad. The skill, the tech is gonna be either Bunny Hop, which is like, short dash in a direction and slam a healing potion, like, where you land. Yep. Alternatively, there's gonna be, dashing through a ally to grant them shield. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to Alicia about, like, how you pick loadouts and such, but yeah. There'll probably be, like, just 1 or 2 pre-built loadouts per hero. We're currently planning 12 heroes, 6 of which are DPS, 3 of which are tank, and 3 of which are healer, I believe? Yeah. And we're gonna have 6 different gods. Yeah, so we're gonna have Potion of Hurt's real bad. We're gonna have, like, hops that either heal or shield. There's gonna be a, then for skill 1, you're gonna have a healing puddle or an elixir of thirst, which is lifesteal. Yeah. I should figure out, like, status effects at some point. Just, those are gonna have to, like, have hooks in a lot of places. Oh boy. Yep. Alright, Rejuvenation Spray, a close-range cone ability that gives temporary health regen over time to those it hits. Yep. Water of Life, which, instant cast charge on a long cooldown, which is, which is gonna be, like, your revive. There's gonna be Speed Mist, which, like, is a buff, or Smelling Salts, which is heal an ally and dispel the statuses, and then heal all allies, to full and apply Invigorated, which is gonna be, like, all the, like, hyper skills, which are gonna be, like, your ultimate or limit break or whatever, but, like, per player instead of, like, for the whole party, will apply, like, a different, like, big status buff or whatever. Yeah, Alicia's thought up some really cool stuff. Also, this is a very cute bunny. I'm, like, yeah, I think we might do, like, a bit more designing on him. But yeah, very good bunny that Alicia's designed. Very cute, and, like, that's the main character we've been working with so far, is just basically Harrington. Like, got a bunny who can dash and throw healing potions and shit. Yeah. I should probably, yeah. I will need to figure out how to do loadouts, but we can, like, just... Yeah, that's, like, something that can be figured out, but yeah. Huh. Yeah, we're good. Oh, I was doing a weird stretch thing. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I will have to also, like, do a lot of, like, camera stuff, because dungeons are gonna be bigger than, like, a single space. But yeah. Let me see if I've got, like, the chart. Yeah. So, Alicia also made, like, a chart of, like, what we're planning for each. So, yeah. Image. Overall plan. Ooh, big. Yeah. So, like, we're gonna have, like, 6 worlds, 6 gods, 12 heroes. Gonna have, 2, like, melee DPS, 2 ranged physical, and, yeah, so we're gonna have 2 slashers, we're gonna have 2 shooters, and we're gonna have 2 casters for DPS. Then, 3 healers, 3 tanks. Gonna have some cool stuff. Gonna be neat. Yeah. Yeah, Bunny Alchemist, yeah, Harrington is going to come from a world with a, with Eldritch Fae in it, which is gonna be very cool. Yeah, lots of stuff. Let's do some, so, we need to really think up, like, components and such, so. There are, like, I described this, a little while back. Let me see if I can, like, find something. I described it some way a while back. I need to find it. I don't remember if it was over text or voice. Yeah, I think so. There's ultimately, like, 4 general, like, types of attacks, which which, like, most things will fall into, from what I can tell. You got your slicey stuff, you got your stabby stuff, you got your smashy stuff, and you got your shooty stuff. The LDR of each of those is a slice will just be like, just a sweeping attack, like a sword swing or whatever. It'll do like a little cone of, it'll do like a little cone, and anyone in that area is gonna get hit. A stabby attack will be more targeted on a single enemy, either like right in front of you or like, generally, Hey, not too much attention, Adderall.
I know, so.
Yeah. Hey. What was that? Yeah. Got elevator. Yeah, so, slicey stuff is like your standard, like, Link and Zelda sword swing. You're, like, going in a little sweep, so anyone in, like, this little, like, fan area in front of you is gonna get bonked. A stab is gonna be, like, straight in front of you, like, straight in front of you, you're gonna have to get, like, right up against them to do it, but it's gonna be, like, going through. That's gonna hurt a bit more. More damage to a single target instead of, like, less damage to a group. Smashy stuff is gonna be, like, your AoE, is gonna be an AoE thing. It might be, like, close to you, it might be far away, yeah. But, like, it will be an area of, if anyone is here, they are totally fucked. Like, all at once. Yeah, and then lastly, shooty stuff is like any sort of like projectile throwing, like launching directly, stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, like just those are the 4 general type of attacks. Yeah, and like they might have some variances, so like I think the main rule is like slice is based off a like slices are slightly AoE, but they are more about like contact with something than an actual like prescribed area. So like they won't all get hit at once. Like if you're swinging a sword from like say here to here, folks closer to this side will get hurt earlier than folks closer to this side. Stabby is like you're hitting one enemy. Smashy is you're gonna hit everyone in a circle at once. And then shooty is like you're throwing something or launching or like shooting something from a further range, and that can have like a either it'll like just hit who it hits, or it'll like have an AoE where it lands. Yeah. I should really, like... Do I have, like, a good, like... I feel like I need to actually, like, draw some of this out to, like, visualize it, so, How about... Yeah, let's do that. Let me pull up Affinity... Yeah, I'm actually gonna, like, pull up, like, a sketch pad for this. Where's, Yeah, this is gonna be just a minute. Give me some time. So, what? Oh, that's... I'm trying to, like, grab my, like, standard blueprint color right now. There it is. RGB hex. 2469F9, okay. So, new document. Let's say 1280, 20. On, make it. Alright. Make a, like... Wait, no, I want to do this in photo, not... Gonna be RBC. See you, Roxy. Drawing tablet. So, new thing. NAP, yeah. Let's make a rectangle. Give you the color. Pull up a brush. I am updated to, like, the new, like, firmware, so hopefully this will, like, work with pressure and everything. Ah! I have a very messy desk. I'll pull this up as soon as I've got everything plugged in. So... Alright, so... This on... Whoa! take. Alright, well! Fuck. So that fucking happened. On VSF. VSF, VC face, come on. Let me get everything back sorted. That was... that sucked. Yep. Hello, yeah, that happened. Start, please. There, yeah, that certainly fucking happened. I plugged in my drawing tablet and my USB ports had a power surge. So, yes, that's not happening tonight. Whee! Let me just get all this back sorted. Okay, alright. Launch Project Deicide. Different logo for that. Text can go away. Let me just mode it. Back to the music. Good lord. And hide that, and there. Well, guess I'm not using my drawing tablet tonight. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna have to figure out what the fuck caused that later. Yeah, I just got, like, everything like, all my USB ports crashed at once, and I was told that I had a that I had a USB power surge. So, yeah. Well. Okay. Yeah. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna draw like the component structure. I'm not gonna use my drawing tablet for that. I'm gonna use like Figma or something. I'll turn it. Or not Figma, what was I using? Lucid Chart. Okay, so where can I like alright, so oh, there's a LibreOffice one for it, okay. Yeah, I'll do that. So I don't have to like do it in okay. Oh, LibreOffice Draw is just a vector editor. That's not good replacement for Lucid Chart. So, now let me look into something, yeah. Yeah, so let me just, stream is back up after My PC crashed. Come on back. So I should get like a diagramming thing. Oh. Why am I getting routed through like... Oh. Okay, yeah, Lucid chart it is, you know? Yeah, actually. New chart, blank document. Day action. Okay. So, let's get everything back set up. So, MS Edge, there. Did Steam just open up? Go. Right, so now I can, hi Godot. Alright. Let's draw some, yeah, so like, there's like a few different things you would like, words. My mind is all scattered after that whole thing happened. So, what should I do now? Yeah, alright, so what should I do now that I've been punished for my hubris? So, we've got like the 4 different boxes. So we've got, yeah, so like, ooh!
Lucky number. Woo.
Ooh! Artemis, thank you very much for subscribing to LMOS at Tier 1 for 13 months! Great to see you, I've had a day so far, yeah, like, my computer just crashed because of an apparent power surge when I plugged my drawing tablet in. Yeah. Oh, thank you for the hug, Artemis. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna drag these all over by one so it's nice and orderly because my autism demands it. There. Of course, but yeah. Okay, so we got, the slicey, stabby, mashy, and shooty. These are like the 4 main attacks. Yeah, lemons deserve hugs. Good Robin. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Thank God my PC has a fucking surge protector in it. So, like, here's, like, right, yeah. So, I've got here, like, the 4 main components, or, like, the 4 main types of attacks that we're gonna have. So, like, you're gonna be, like, an, like, then for, like, a... Yeah, so... I'm not using these for, like, their, like, all these for their intended purposes, so, yeah, so, like, you are, projectile, AoE, target, and multi-target. Good, Robin, yeah. Alright, so yeah, we've got like the slicey multi-targets, we've got the stabby single targets, we got smashy AoEs, and we've got shooty projectiles. Then each of these can, yeah, then each of these can have different components to them. So, like, we'll have, like, a damage component, we'll have a, enemy status. Yeah. Enemy status component will have a, like, player status. So, I'll say, target status, and caster status. Right, so yeah. Yeah, like, just like, there'll be, like, different, like, components of it. So, like, you'll have damage, and, like, a damage component is like, a negative damage component would be, like, a healing component. So that is, like, just change HP. Then there's, like, adding status effects to the caster. There's adding status effects to the target. So yeah, like, just, I'm trying to figure out, like, a good code structure for all of this. Yeah, so I've got all these, and, like, all of these can, like, take, like, you know, just for, like, yeah, this isn't quite like a flowchart thing. These are just, like, just having, like, a physical thing. So, like, then we've got, like, damage, caster status, target status. We've got, yeah, so, for, like, projectiles, we've got, like, a projectile can be a, straight shot, or, throw arc. Yeah, projectile can be, like, either, like, a straight shot. Can I change your type? And, I'll just... those, yeah. Yeah, like, just, we're gonna have, like, a straight shot or a throw arc. Although, to be fair, the, difference between a, the difference between a straight shot and a throw arc is, not much. Like, it is just, like, a straight shot is just, like, an very, like, how much the throw arc goes. So, yeah, then... yeah, then, like, other factors that are important are, so, like, pass time. Or, yeah, so let's say, yeah, so, like, the different, like, timer things we've had. So we've got, charge. Those are really small. They're all very, yeah, it is weird. But they do just have, like, raw shapes. Okay, so, like... like, we've got a, charge time. We've got, cast count. We've got, action time. And we've got, recast time. Then we've got, what other things can you do? So, looking over stuff that Alicia's sent, so... Let me pull up some of these classes again, so... Then we've got, like, yeah, so then we've got, like, combo actions. So, like, if you might have an action that, like, transforms into another one, or, like, affects what actions you can cast. So, like, for example, like, the, let me just... not in a new tab. So, let's say, like... Rook, turret... Yeah, Rook auto turret, yeah, so, like, for example, when you cast Rook auto... like, for example, when you cast Rook auto turret, it then can turn into Rook Overdrive until the for example, so like stuff like that if you want to like chain it into something. Yeah, another thing Alicia's got is for one of the heroes, they will have a their tech will switch between switch their abilities between their actual cast abilities or their pet's abilities. Yeah, or like pet ordering. Yeah. Which, oh, I'm gonna have to do AI for that. Yeah, we've got another one who like has, yeah. What other? So yeah. Then, like, there are some, things that are going to be, then, like, there are different conditions you could have, so, like, you press Lemmon's name, makes Lemon look like she's spying on you. Yeah, like, other things are, like, you could have a, words. Fuck, what am I trying to... So, you could have, like, a, while held... Yeah, so you could have, like, a while held ability, which I don't have... Yeah, so, like, just, yeah, so, like, that's just another thing you could have is, like, something that procs while it's being held down instead of, like, just being, like, a single button press. I have, like... Yeah, I can, like, write the logic for that. Yeah. Oh, yeah, so movement is another, like, thing, so... Right now I just have, like, right now how I do that is I make enough... Like, I have another, like, movement handler, but, like, I might want to just make that a component instead. So, like, for example, or, yeah, really these, like, these are all, like, different types of attacks, which aren't, yeah, which not everything will be an attack, per se. I'm gonna shift the over by... Then I'm gonna have, like, a, what would be, like, an, movement, or non-attack, yeah, no, self-target, yeah, self-target, Stancy. I'll just say Stancy, because, like, that'll be your tank stance or whatever. yeah, so yeah, like you've got like all these different like pieces. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just like trying to figure out like how to do all this. Like, hmm. Yeah, so like there's different like these are like kind of the different components I'm thinking of. Like, yeah, I'm trying to figure out like basically what I'm trying to think of is like Alicia's like requested that we like structure it in a way so like we can have a GUI editor for like different abilities or such, which means that I just need to like write out like the various components and the like. So what shapes? Yeah, so yeah, so like then there's like all different types of AoE shapes. So like so we've got like circle, yeah, like the main type. So like fan. Yeah, so like the main types of AoEs I'm thinking of. So like there's circle, fan, rectangle. Yeah, so like there's circle shaped AoEs, there's fan shaped AoEs, there's rectangular AoEs, there's like raid wides. Like trying to think of other things that might be like important for AoEs or whatever. Yeah, so like just like I'm trying to think if there are any other like types of AoEs that are pretty common. Yeah, so like because like just AoEs are set at a position with a time. Yeah, combo actions would be like your like stance toggle or whatever, so like you'd have that like turn on or off or like switch between abilities. Are there any other like shapes of AoE that are like super common? Yeah, I'm trying to figure. Yeah, so yeah, this is just like I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. I can move all these up. Yeah, just like not all those. Like I'm just trying to like figure out like what I should be like thinking about for the components. Burning Hands is an AoE spell that shoots out in a triangle. That's like the fan-shaped one. So like, it's like a section of a circle. Like, so like, it'll only be like a quarter or half circle or whatever. Yeah, that's like part of like the fan shape. Yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else, but yeah, so then each of these have properties, so like circle will have like just a radius, fan will have radius and yeah, fan will have a radius and an arc, rectangle, or radius, yeah, radius, arc, and angle. Rectangle will have width and height and angle. Yeah. I wish I could, like... Yeah, like, I'm trying to think if there's anything else, like... Yeah, like, in FF14, like, a lot of things are generally, like, for all intents and purposes, like, in FF14, things are only ever stabby or smashy, because, like, shooty projectiles don't have, like, or, no, ground targeting mode is shooty, yeah, so, like, in FF14, you've really got, like, stabby stuff, which is single target, because you're only targeting one enemy at a time. You've got smashy stuff, which is an AoE, and you've got shooty stuff, which is, which is, like, anything that uses ground targeting mode, which is exceedingly rare, but still sometimes. Then, like, Stancy is, like, yeah, Stancy is just another thing you've got. Yeah, like, you don't really have, like, this slicey, like, target a group of enemies not just based on, like, just multi-target can, like, AoEs will hit everyone at once. Multi-target will, like, have, like, a delay and are based more, like, on, like, animation than AoEs. Yeah, like, I do feel like there is a difference between them. I'm just, like, trying to, like, figure out what I would consider it, like, or, like, how to put it into words. Like, there is definitely a difference in, like, how, like, a sword swing is processed than, like, an AoE is, or than a bomb is processed in, like, Zelda or whatever. Like, when a bomb goes, like, in Zelda, when a bomb goes off, everything around it gets hit at the same time. During a slice, enemies get hit as they run into the sword, or as they hit the sword. Yeah. And then, like, projectiles can also, like, be another type of, like, projectiles can also, like, result in, like, another type of attack when they land. Like, usually an AoE or a single target. Or they can just, like, or no, they can be all of them, because, like, that slicey on a projectile would end up, like, just being, like, every projectile that it goes through or such. Or every enemy it goes through. AoE can target friendlies. Chain lightning only targets enemies. Think that's what you're going for, yeah, yeah, oh yeah, target mode is, like, another thing. Yeah, target mode is, like, another one, so, that would be, like, for example, no. I want that shape of... Yeah, allies, enemies... Yeah, like, targeting... Yeah, so, like, then you'd have, like, other targeting modes or such. Just, like, what gets cycled through. Yeah, I'm, like, just trying to... Yeah, there's a lot of different things. Let me pull up, like, VS Code or something just to, like, open this in. So... Yeah, let me just, like, open... Throat is fucking night, so... So, Project Deicide. Yeah, so let me... Oh, right. let me, oh, I should probably, hide this. Yeah, like, just... Yeah, like, I'm trying to, like, there's, like, a lot of things I have to think about with this. It's really a lot. I want to do... No, don't need that. I could. Yeah. Basically, just a lot of things I need to think about. I'm gonna, like, just write out a JSON file or whatever for this, so, like, just, oh, thank you for the stretch. Ugh. And to hydrate. Really appreciate it. My mind is running in circles, because this is way more than I have, ever had to, like, do, like, this is way more, like, programming stuff than I have ever had to do, so... Yeah. Yeah, like, this is more than I've ever had to do on my own. So just, getting it all set up and working is a lot, so... Yeah, let me make a new file, so... Program... So, component structured JSON, then, right then. How'd Soul and Silicon go? If we're finished, nah, Soul and Silicon is a bit on the back burner until like, just... It's something I'm not doing, like, weekly anymore, just because I need to do a lot of the writing off stream at this point. It's just kind of at that, like, sort of thing where it's not something I quite can do on stream anymore, just due to the limitations of, like, needing focus to write it and everything. Property. Alright, so, yeah. Let's actually, like, just write something out for, like, how this is gonna look, so... Yeah, so... Skills... Let me, there, zooming in a bit. If that's too small to read, let me know, so... Let's say, attack... Type, beep. Charge. 0. Yeah, so, yeah, let me pull this up in the background, so... Yeah, so, I'll say actions. Yeah, yeah, so yeah, we've got, like, charge time, action, let's say 0.5, recast, 0.5, cooldown, charge, max charges, let's say 1. Yeah, if something only has 1 charge, then it won't, like, automatically, like, show. Yeah, then. Yeah, like, max charge is 1. So we'll say, like, name. Does anyone, like, Alicia's Design have, like, a sweep attack? So, yeah, Dead Man's Sword. Yeah, then from that we'll have, like, so, Dead Man's Sword, sweep type, no charge, it takes a second to both do the action and to recast. Max charge is 1. Then, what else should I put? So, this is, I'll say, like, more, I'll say multi. Yeah, then, what else? Yeah, so, like, here's, like, the stuff, for, like, here's, like, the global stuff that everything should know about. It should always, like, know how to do a charge time, a max charges, an action time, and a recast. I'll call that duration, recast, so yeah. Charge, max charges, duration, recast, cooldown. Those are, like, the 5 things that everything, yeah. Yeah, so, yeah. Those are, like, the 5 things that every attack should know how to do. Let me just put that into, like, my chart, so, like, that is always going to be, important to know, so, like, everything should have a charge, a number of max charges, a duration, a recast, and a cooldown. Or actually, yeah. Yeah, like, then recast can be, like, for example, like, the swing might only take a quarter of a second. Yeah. Then, like, how would you want to do... The real question... fuck. Yeah, then for single target stuff, you would... Yeah, so... I'm really confusing myself with this. It should be, so... Keep... Or no, multi... Type... Or no, this should be, object, not an array. Type... Sweep... Range... Yeah, this'll... I'll have to figure out what units I want to use for, like, range and such, so... Range... Oh yeah, yeah, not everything needs to know about range, only, like, certain things, so... Yeah, like... So... Range, I'll say, let's say you'll have, like, a, range of 6? Yeah, just as, like, a placeholder before I decide what the real values for that would look like, so... Range 6, breadth, or no, yeah, so range 6, then, width, we'll say, like, in degrees, like, we'll say, like, 90 degrees. Then, damage, let's say, like, 15. Hmm. Yeah, so like deal 15 damage to anyone you hit in like this sweep. Direction clockwise. Hmm. Yeah, what actually, what other kinds of like, yeah, so, yeah, so like, I think this will actually just be a sweep. Yeah, so like, name sweep. So like, there's like your, like, damage component. Like, here's your, like, attack component. Yeah, so, then it's got, like, damage, yeah. Yeah, so like just the sweep is gonna be like knows what a range, width, damage, and direction are. Then yeah. Then let's say for like attack, name, yeah, like just I'll take like abilities we've already got. So yeah, this will be bunny hop. This will be like from Harrington. So charge, max charges 3, duration 0.5, recast 0.5, cooldown 1. Yeah, so cooldown ticks once the recast timer is up. Yeah, so like just that's like, or cooldown more like recharge, I think. Yeah, I think I'm gonna name that like I think naming it recharge makes more sense because that way you can like that way you know that it is the difference between that way you can like tell the difference between like recast time and recharge time. Like even if you can like cast something like twice in a row, it still takes like, or even if you can recast something after half a second, it'll still take like a second to recharge. Yeah, then, hey, Sun Roses! I am working on, like, structure for, like, the components of attacks for this. Which is interesting. Guess who wants to game code but doesn't know where to start on his own yet? I definitely get that. Yeah, so, like, just for this, dash. But I said, like, I set a dash speed, I made, like, dash move. Yeah, so, alright, yeah, dash speed. Or, no, I set base, Oh yeah, dash factor, so... Yeah, so... Harrington's currently 10, yeah. I'd ask to join a call, but you seem busy. I mean, I'd be happy to, like, join a call. I just, like, might not be able to... Actually, you know what? It would be pretty fun to, like, join a call. Like, we can, like, both kind of, like, parallel play on our stuff. But yeah. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, then, Project Deicide. Yeah, I'm free to call right now, so if you'd like to. There, and I want to. Hey! Oop.
Oh, hello. Oops. Hold on. We got the wrong image.
Oop. Yeah.
Where's the thing again? I don't know what the site. I forgot. Oh.
Yeah. Discord, reactive images, Boogie, check. There, linked it to you.
That. Image.
Ah. Yeah, then.
I guess I'll just use these.
You.
There we go. Hi.
Hi. Yeah, adorable.
Maybe so.
Yeah.
I was considering using that other image from earlier, but I just would need to get a crop of it.
Yeah.
For that, and I don't bother right now.
Yeah. So, projectile target. So, yeah,
so,
right.
Yeah, I wanna.
Go ahead.
I wanna like start working on that like Wii Tanks clone type thing I wanted to make.
Ooh, sounds fun.
Yeah, but I just need to figure out like where to actually start with it.
Yeah.
And I still am not entirely certain I understand the Godot like basic framework. Like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, I think I do want like there's like the tile whatever feature. That seems like it'd be very handy for this.
Yeah.
For example. But I don't know how to go about using most of those.
Yeah. Maybe, yeah, I think it might be a good idea to, like, before you, like, start I think maybe focus on, like, creating, like, the projectile launching stuff before, like, trying to make the environments?
Oh, yeah, for
or,
sure.
Like,
I need, like, a basic, like, setup. I guess I need, like, some placeholder graphics first.
Yeah. That's fair.
Sleepy.
Cute.
Inkscape.
Yeah, it is really cool how, like, the... Yeah, words. Yeah.
Words indeed.
Yeah, it's so cool how much, like, just... I'm trying to figure out the words for this. It's so cool how Godot can do SVG.
Yeah, definitely. It's really rad.
Yeah. Yeah, right now I'm trying to figure out, like, a schema for, like, how, like, the different components for attacks and such can be defined.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And, yeah, like, just trying to figure out how this is going to be structured so I can actually write it out in code.
Uh-huh. That makes sense.
So then, circuit AoE with radius, and five. Seconds. Yeah, like, trying to figure out, like, what things each type of attack needs, generally. It's tough.
Uh-huh. I am at a much more basic level, just trying to understand even how anything works.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, I'm assuming I know how things work. I may be completely wrong.
That's kind of how it is, huh?
Yeah. And I... And, yeah, just like trying to figure out, hey, what am I even trying to make here is a fun challenge.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, Yeah, to like start like trying to get stuff in Godot.
Uh-huh.
Can I just like... Does it actually... I wonder, is it able to recognize like JSON files or whatever? Or is it just not aware that I even put that in there at all?
I have no clue.
Yeah, no, I'm talking to myself, don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah, I talk to myself a lot, especially on stream.
Valid.
Oh. Alright, Oh no. Why did it do... I just did something that completely changed... Or... Wait, no, I did have in full... What am I talking about? I did just have it like that, whoops. Yeah. Guess it just doesn't recognize JSON or anything. Oh well. Or at least it doesn't see it in the, file tree. Oh well. Not important. Either way, so I think I have an idea of like what I'm starting to do, so a new folder.
I'm getting too caught up on the details of this placeholder art.
Oh, mood. Yeah, I definitely get that. I always like just go a bit too far with the placeholder art.
I think I need to not try to make it vector art right now, because that's just making it more complicated.
Yeah. Like, what I'm doing right now is just like, for my placeholder art, I've just got like some sprites I got from like a asset pack on itch. And like, one of the best like placeholder art types you can use is just a rectangle. Yeah, like...
Yeah. For sure.
Mm-hmm. Like, just... Let me see if this works. Just... I am getting a bit confused. Like... So... Ah, okay. So, it is Alright, so it is intended that JSON files aren't appearing. Got it.
Oh.
Yeah, Godot's file system doc only shows built-in resources. And since JSON files aren't built-in resources, they don't need to be imported, so you can just, like, you can still open them from code, just like, you don't need to see them in the editor, so you don't. Hooray on...
Okay, that makes sense.
Hooray for minimizing distracting info.
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, yeah, let me... Not too much right now. Yeah, no, like... Not right now. Not right now. Sorry. Yeah, yeah, So... Let's make an... So... Shit. Yeah, so... Yeah, so... Shape 2D, yay. Alright, so... Capsule shape,
Isn't a capsule like a 3D shape?
Possibly.
But it's also like it could be like a like sort of like rounded rectangle, or it's like it's got like a half circle at the top and a half circle at the bottom, and then like a rectangle between.
Oh, that's probably what it is, actually, then. Yeah, that is exactly what it shows in the editor. Yep.
Yep, it's that. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Gives you a hydrate.
Thank you. Yeah, so... it doesn't look like there's like a built-in like circle segment, so I'd have to do that myself, but that's not too hard to do, hopefully.
Guess who's forgotten already how to change the import settings?
Oh no, import tab in the upper left.
I keep forgetting that exists for some reason.
Yeah.
Like, it's just so, like, subtle. It's like my brain just doesn't register.
Yeah, it is like faded out pretty hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, apparently there are like some like theming things you can do, but I'm not sure how, so yeah. Oh, let's...
Editor settings, probably.
Yep.
Theme.
Yeah, like just, I'm not sure how to like configure like specific, like more detailed theme stuff than like the properties for the default theme.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is a contrast setting you can turn up, but that doesn't really help that much.
Yeah. Oh well. Now I'm gonna be right back just a minute. And I'm back.
Hi back, I'm Shaky.
Dork. Okay, so... yeah, I'm just like doing my best to figure out how I'm gonna do all this. see, so... I think I'm... So... So... Ah.
You can actually like change the color. You can actually like tint sprites like from the sprite objects that
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, that's a really cool thing. Yeah, you can do a lot of really cool stuff with sprites just stock. Like, there's tinting, there's like, you can use like shader materials. Tons of stuff you can do, it's great.
Yeah.
You're great.
Okay, so I have an object that is a square and then a little spray for the gun. And if I rotate it, it should rotate centered on where I'm actually wanting it to be. Yep, good.
Hey.
Good. So now what I can do is I could add a script to the drone. Create, yes. Process function. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is try to write a function, or is try to write some code to make it so the gun points towards the mouse.
Yeah.
Gotta actually find Godot documentation is a bit hard to navigate.
Yeah. Yeah, read the docs is honestly not stellar. Like, it works.
The thing is, for us, it doesn't work. Like, we tried to learn Godot, like, ages ago by reading the docs, and I just could not figure it out. Like,
oh, yeah, no. Yeah, to clarify, I'm putting, like, works in quotes here. Like,
yeah, fair.
Yeah. It theoretically works, but not for a lot of people.
Yeah, I would like to... I feel like there's probably some kind of, like, function for, like, you know, point this object towards this location or something.
Yeah.
But I don't know
yeah.
what it is.
So, you can... So, what I would recommend is you can get the, I believe you can get an angle between two, vector 2Ds? Or
Okay,
two
well,
vector 2Ds?
first of all, I need a vector of the mouse location.
I actually got that recently. That is, get _ global _ mouse _ position.
Yeah, okay. mouse equal get global mouse position.
Yep.
That's what I said. Is what I named it.
Very good, yeah.
I'm just gonna say mouse.
Mm-hmm.
Or mouse.
Yeah.
Position, yeah. Or
Yeah, then there's a vector to there's a property on vector to or very
angle 2?
Yeah, angle to, yeah.
Or angle to point.
The
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so far
Yeah, so they do have illustrations of what they mean. Angle to point is from the axis. Or yeah, yeah, they've got descriptions of it, so yeah. You probably want angle to point instead of like angle difference.
Okay, here's the thing. How do I get like a child node to edit its properties?
You can, yeah, if you know so if you know the name of it in your yeah,
I
so
found it. It's get node, right?
Yep. Yeah, get node is like what you want to do if you aren't like sure like this exact thing with this exact name is going to be in your scene. Yeah. So yeah, get child is probably what you want. Yeah, because then you can also like just save that to variables and everything.
Okay, so it is currently pointing precisely away from the mouse, so I've done something slightly wrong.
You might be try swapping the which one you're calling angle 2 on, or angle to point on.
Yeah, but it should be positioned to mouse position, right?
Possibly it is using it is like it's using clockwise. You might want counterclockwise.
Okay, clockwise from where?
Clockwise from the x-axis. Yeah. Have you seen like the images they show off?
Wait, so like so angle 0 should be pointing what direction?
Yeah. Look, yeah, I sent you a picture of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that is from the documentation.
Okay, so it should be I should be doing the right thing here.
Yeah.
So I don't know what's up with that.
Just try swapping the coordinates, see if it magically works.
I mean, it probably will. It just very. I don't like not understanding why something works.
Yeah, I wish I could explain it, but it might just be like, yeah, I don't know.
Well, the gun is now pointing at the mouse, at least.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it is like a clockwise, counterclockwise thing. Yeah, if I had the attention span to like see your code and also work on mine, I could like look at what's going on and like have a better idea.
It's not like rotating in the wrong direction. It's just rotated 180 degrees from what the direction should be.
Huh. Yeah.
But for some reason, getting the angle from the mouse to the gun is working.
Yeah.
Even though it's like the opposite of what it should be.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm going to stretch these back. And I'm going to add pi to the angle.
Yeah.
That should do the same thing, but it at least makes more sense.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
Okay. Then what I want to do is movement. Should I use physics process for movement code, even if I'm not doing physics stuff?
If you're not doing physics stuff, you should just use process, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
I've already forgotten the code for, like, moving.
Move
Or
and
not
slide. Yeah,
Not,
move.
Sorry, not moving. Getting input
Oh,
directions.
yeah, let me grab that quick. Bro. Yeah, you might have different names than I do, but it should be something like that.
Right. Yes.
Right, see.
I remember now. Is there any way to like have support for like joysticks though?
Yeah, automatically. Yeah, that does joysticks automatically if you've got them in the input map.
Oh. Okay.
Yep.
Well, hold on. I need to actually go to the input map and do. Okay, let's do.
Yeah, so our times so and I'll just put it under func process
It just occurs to me that like joystick support isn't gonna work until I actually have like support for like changing the target direction based on the right stick, but that's fine.
yeah, sadly.
I mean, I can implement that. That should not be too hard. But yeah, I'll just not worry about those right now.
Yeah. Own process. Like and delta else print less than duration current three progress charge progress equals yeah charge progress charge and with that I can right.
I'm considering maybe doing the Wii tanks thing where like you don't immediately change direction when you change.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little tricky to pull off though.
Then yeah, so
Yeah, you know what? That's too complicated right now. I'm just gonna make it change speed immediately.
mhm. Ah. Oh boy, so if new progress bar
Guys. What's the rotation? Hold on. Is rotation the rotation variable stored as like a number?
possibly?
And
Yeah,
so how do I convert the input get vector direction into an angle?
Dot angle paren. Yeah, there's just a
Oh, it's a function, right?
Function,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, that's that was the problem.
Yep.
Well, yep, that is indeed working.
Yay.
It's a bit janky, but it works.
Yeah. Ray. Save.ray. Get ray. Charge. Yes.
Okay.
Do things here. Right then. So,
Next thing I need to figure out creating new objects.
yeah. Yeah, would you, yeah, do you want to, create, yeah. So, objects in code or objects on the field? Is this something that'll just exist in your code and won't be displayed on the screen, or is it something that will appear on the screen?
I'm talking about, like, making new, like, spawning a bullet.
Okay, so yeah, you're gonna want to create a new scene for that.
That's confusing, but okay.
Yeah, scene is not the best name for it, but it's basically just, like, a scene is more of like a collection of nodes, really.
Okay, so bullet.
Yep.
See, scene, bullet. So within the scene, I should have the actual object, or
Yeah, within the scene you should have the actual object.
okay. So
There. Yeah, time. Main. Yeah, this guy. Crash. Got it.
So I have a scene with a bullet.
Yep. So. Yeah, so
What do I do now?
now you'll want to have a, yeah, so in your main scene, you'll want to have a variable with like the name you want, or a constant with the name you want it to be referred to as equal to the value of preload, then the like
Hold on, slow down.
Yeah,
in
sorry.
the scene,
like in your main scene,
where in my main scene?
in your main scene script, like at the
That's
top,
the
yeah.
thing.
Or like the main script that you're using to handle all of this.
Okay. I guess it makes sense to have some kind of like controller
Yeah.
node.
Maybe. Yeah, you don't need a controller node because the input will or oh wait, you mean like a node that controls the game, yeah.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
to handle things.
Mhm.
That just makes sense to me.
Yeah.
So, the thing is, I'm gonna possibly have multiple bullets on the screen at once.
Yeah. That's what we're working on right now, yeah. You'll be able to have multiple bullets on screen at once with this. Right.
Okay.
Yeah, so you'll have a const with like the name of your yeah, with the name of like whatever you want to call it in code. Then you'll use the
That's really vague.
yeah, like
That's
I
not-
don't like what do you like what variable name do you, or like what name do you want to like refer to the bullet by in code? Like just bullet or something?
Bullet, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So like
I need like
just,
an example line of code.
there.
Okay.
Yeah. Just something like that. Okay, so yeah.
Okay. Then how do I create a bullet?
call dot instance on that variable and it'll return a new bullet.
Okay, so hold on, I have a problem.
Yeah.
I want to create the bullet from another object that isn't
Yep.
the controller object.
Ah, alright. Then just do it there.
Does it matter if I preload something from multiple scripts?
Nope. Preload is just like an import statement.
Okay. I can just do that then.
Mm-hmm.
Bullet. Okay, so then I want to make a bullet.
Yep.
Instance. No. Oh.
Share your screen. I can't help if I can't see what you're doing, so.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, can you show me, like, your, const code? Yep. Yeah, that should be right. Okay, so, yeah. It should just be bullet.instance open paren close paren.
Sorry, what? Your voice got...
Ah.
Also, I need to go get some water.
Alright, yeah, I just sent the line you'll want to use.
Okay, I will be right back.
Mm-hmm. Take your time, yeah. So what am I even... Yeah, so, how do you get the ID of... I really need to figure out, alright, better get to bed, good night, I'll see you, Kenny. Oh yeah, I should stop this, because it's just crashed. I'm trying to figure out how to get the, ID. Yeah, I have no idea how to get the instance ID, yeah, get underscore instance underscore ID? That legal?
Hey.
Hi.
I'm back.
Welcome back. Yeah. Wait, I have no idea, yeah. Or is it just... Yeah, yeah, I will say, yeah. So that instance thing you sent earlier, or I gave you earlier, I should
Hold on,
warn...
I'm trying to figure out an input thing now.
Ah.
I need to just check for, like, actual, like... Okay, is action pressed?
Yeah.
That's probably the one I'm looking for. That is... Just press, probably, actually.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, no. Yeah. did... There we go. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so even though you have the, like, instance there, that does not mean that it is actually, like, on the, like, in the environment yet. That is just making it before you throw it out into the world.
Right.
Yeah, so after that, you want to, like, you'll probably want to set the position.
Yeah.
Yep.
Position equals... I'm gonna want to... I'm gonna want to do, like, position plus some offset.
Yeah. Plus... Wait, does not want, trying to figure out how to do what I want to. This is very weird.
There we go. And I want it to be rotated the same way as the
Yeah.
thing.
Mm-hmm.
And I just want it to, like, move in whatever direction it's pointed, basically.
Yep.
Which I can do from the bullet's code itself, probably.
Yeah.
And then how do I get it onto the screen, basically?
Then you will, so I think what you'll want to do is, so let me just double check. Self.getParent.addChild. So,
Do I need to do self? Can I just do that?
theoretically you can just do that, yeah. Then just bullet, yeah. Yep. And that should be good, theoretically.
Alright, let's see what it does.
Hmm?
It, like, nudges me to the side because the bullets have, like, collision.
Alright, yeah. That is one thing.
Also is not in
Moving?
the right direction.
Or, ah.
It seems to always be below me, but it's just, like, the angle of the... It's weird.
Yeah.
Shouldn't this be, like... Maybe I need to give it a bigger offset, like... 100. Let's try 100.
Yeah.
Okay, that's definitely not correct.
Yeah.
Help.
I can't see what's going on.
Oh,
Yeah, I am like, yeah, I'm running into a utter wall right now, and I don't know what to do, so, shit.
Here, let me boop you with this. Okay, so watch what happens when I try to shoot
Right,
something. Boop.
oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's
just utter nonsense.
yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I can help anymore. I'm kind of reaching my limit on that. I'm sorry.
Damn it.
Yeah. Yeah, like just, I'm running into a wall that makes me unsure how I'm gonna do this, and trying to help at the same time is a bit tough.
Right, sorry. I just... Blah.
Yeah. Oh hey Stella, good to see ya.
I'm probably gonna go from the call for now, but
Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah, love you. I'm happy to help out later, just need to... I can't do multiple things at a time with Adderall.
Yeah, okay, bye.
See ya. Ooh, what's up, Sella? Ooh. Oh my god, it's so cute. Ah, it's so cute. It's so adorable. Holy shit. So how the hell am I gonna do this? Uh, 9 o'clock already, wow. Yeah, I am having a lot of difficulty here, so... Yeah, I might need to wrap up soon, we'll see. Is there, like, any other, like... So there's, like... Yeah, like, there's polygons, but you can't, like, do, like, predetermined shapes with those. Like, for a polygon, you have to, like, for Polygon 2D, like, really do have to just, like, make your own polygon, which, I wish there was, like, a, okay, so, here's, Oh, they have stuff for this, nice. Alright, so there is a draw circle, okay. So, actually, if I go over here, so... Where is that? So, yeah, no, I'm just gonna... So, circles only first. So... Let's, func, draw... Bar charge progress equals print charge time over charge time. Draw a circle, self addition, radius color dot dark. Alright. Then draw circle, self position, charge, rest, over, radius, color dark, orange. Let's see how that works. No. Alright, so let's see if this works. What if I just, oh, update. Okay, so... No, it's radius over charge progress. Yeah, so that's why that was... Then if charge progress over O... Let's see how this works. Whoa! Ah! So... Okay, no, it's radius times charge progress. Not divided by. Alright, that... Yeah. Then, then I'll have a signal fire full AOE. Yeah. Signal full AOE. Yeah, yeah. So I'm gonna, so you go up here, then I'm gonna make it so, main GD, yeah, so that actually should, like, just automatically reset on its own. What's the thing in the debugger? Ah. Error. Back to dash. Weird. Signal dash has hero and length. Oh. Length, float, there. Now that doesn't fire an issue. Yeah, no. It doesn't fire something, yay! Ah. Yeah. Yay, I got at least like a circle AoE done. Then, I feel like there should be a, yeah, if one more thing in AoE, over charge time, I think, yeah, so -5. Yeah. Then, max. Yeah, so no. Min, not right, yay. And then, bar color equals orange if, yeah, if, or no, wait, there's ternaries, current charge time less than charge time, orange, then color dot red. Wait, oh, thank you for the stretch. Yeah, color orange if current charge time less charge time else. There. And now, if you watched 5, yay. So now, yeah, this is still very simple, but yeah, yeah, like, do things here. Yay. It does feel like that is going very fast for, like, the red to reset. Yeah. Oh. Hello, Sid6666. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, not much is up right now. I've just been having a bit of a weird time getting all this to work, but I think I've got it working now, so. Duration. That's weird. Why is it, like, resetting? So, sure. Out of cluster duration. Oh, wait, did I set it over here? Yes, I did. Wow. Yeah, yay! Now it actually works. Woo! Very happy about that. Right, but yeah. Do better coloring. Yeah, I do have like an AoE effect. Actually, what if export var active color equals color dot red. Yeah, I at least got something done tonight, and I think that makes me pretty happy overall, so yeah. Text going that? Still perfect. Yeah. And do other AoE shapes. Yay! Ah. Yeah, I think I am just gonna wrap up for now. This has been, like just... I have kinda run out of steam for the night. There was a lot more thinking and, like, trying to work things out than I thought there was gonna be. I've got some cool stuff. I can... Oh, thank you for the hydrate! Yeah. So, things I should do, to do extend from something else. Yeah. Yay, I'm starting to have, like, components and everything. This honestly does make me very happy. Just the fact that, I am getting to the point where I am making my own things. You know, like, I am starting to actually, like, get a feel for, like, how to make stuff in this. Yay, but yeah, I'm gonna wrap up. Let me just switch on over. Yeah, tonight has been a bit much for me, just, like, running into walls, like, not knowing what I'm doing, and then, like, the crash, like, my computer crashing earlier kind of stressed me out. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up for now, just because that took a lot out of me. Let's see who is live right now. Ooh. Kyle is doing... Ooh, I'm gonna go over to Jude. Yeah. I'm gonna send y'all over to Jude, so let's do, Fired Robo Raid. That, then... Raid Jude. Cryo Bite. Yeah, thank you all so very much for watching. Hope you had fun, even though this has just been really scuffed. Just a bit of a mess tonight. Tomorrow I'm gonna be, playing on the Sleeping Town Minecraft server. Sunday I'm gonna be doing more FF14. Monday I'm gonna finish building that computer and turn complete. So, should be a fun week nonetheless. Yeah, when you get over to Jude's, please don't forget to drop them a follow, because they're very cool and a great friend of mine. But yeah, with that, I need to take some rest, so I'm gonna send y'all right on over. Let's get this raid started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you soon!